Dear students, welcome to one more new video of 10th standard social science. In this video, let us see social science question paper of Bhadravati Taluk level preparatory examination. Four choices are given for each of the questions or incomplete statements. Choose the correct answer and shade the correct choice in the OMR given to you with blue or black ballpoint pen. Arrange these Europeans who came to India in chronological order: Portuguese, French, Dutch, English. Portuguese, English, Dutch, French. Portuguese, Dutch, English, French. French, Portuguese, Dutch, English. Let's move to question number 82. 18 British and Sikh signed agreement in 1846 was Continuous Friendship Pact, Treaty of Bessin, Lahore Agreement, Treaty of Paris. 83. The report which was the base of modern education in India: Charles Wood Report, Wales Report, Duncan Report, Macaulay Report. 84. Halagali Bedas rebelled against the British because British imposed heavy tax, doctrine of lapse policy, subsidiary alliance system, act of banned the usage of weapons. 85. First Anglo-Mysore War ended with the Treaty of Madras Treaty, Mangalore Treaty, Treaty of Bessin, Srirangapatna Treaty. 86. One who spread the Indian culture all over the world and inspired our youths: Rajaram Mohan Rai, Dayananda Saraswati, Annie Besant, Swami Vivekananda. 87. Satara, Jaipur, Jhansi states became part of the British under this policy: the subsidiary alliance, the doctrine of lapse, divide and rule policy, political game plan. 88. Viceroy who made the partition of Bengal was Lord Cornwallis, Lord Dalhousie, Lord Curzon, Robert Clive. 89. The first 20 years of the Indian National Congress is called as Moderates, Radicals, Revolutionaries, Era of Gandhi. 90. The President of Haripur Convention of Indian National Congress: Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Lala Lajpat Rai, Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose. 91. He increased his pressure for the creation of independent Pakistan: Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Ali brothers, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. 92. British You Quit India was the statement declared in Non-Cooperation Movement, Civil Disobedience Movement, Quit India Movement, Khilafat Movement. 93. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is called as Iron Man of India because state reorganization, contribution of freedom movement, formation of new government, integration of princely states. 94. Article 371 in the Constitution is given the importance to overcome communalism, corruption, social inequality, regional inequality. Article 371 in the constitution gave importance to solve the problem of 95. The architect of our Indian foreign policy is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Mahatma Gandhi. 96. India signed the agreement of Panchashila principles with A. Pakistan, B. Bangladesh, C. Russia, D. China. 97. In the Constitution of India, fundamental rights are discussed in Part 3, Part 2nd, Part 4th, Part 10th. 98. This institution is like the Cabinet of UNO, General Assembly, Trusteeship Council, Secretariat, Security Council. 99. In 1976, Untouchability Act was amended as Scheduled Caste Act, Gender Discrimination Crime Act, Civil Rights Protection Act, Minorities Cultural Rights Preventive Act. 100. If your father is working in police department, tell me the sector of among them. Organized sector, unorganized sector, labor sector, public sector. 101. Identify the movement which was organized by women. Farmers movement, alcohol prohibition movement, labor movement, freedom movement. 102. Child helpline number is 110 1908 1098. 103. Other name of Western Ghats is Himadri, Eastern Ghats, Aravali Ghats, Sahyadri mountain ranges. 104. In India, in this season, dew and fogs are common. The summer season, the rainy season, the retreating monsoon season, the winter season. 105. This soil is formed from the sediments deposited by the rivers. Black soils, laterite soils, alluvial soils, mountain soils. 106. Largest forest Madhya Pradesh, least forest Goa, Rajasthan, Punjab, Karnataka. 107. The longest dam in India is Bakranangal project, Almaty Dam, the Nagarjuna Sagar project, Hirakud project. 108. The largest producer of rice in the country is West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka. 109. Attempts are being made to convert mud roads into metal roads in villages. Grama Sadak Yojana, Golden Quadrilateral, District Roads, National Highways. 110. Identify the ports which are marked on a map. Kochi, Vishakhapatnam, Kolkata, Mumbai, Kandla, Chennai, Mangaluru, Mumbai. 111. Identify the international airport which is marked on a map. Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, Indira Gandhi International Airport, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, Kempegowda International Airport. 112. The state which has Jindal Vijayanagar Steel Limited, Odisha, West Bengal, Maharashtra, Karnataka. 113. The natural disaster occurred due to sea waves, drought, cyclones, coastal erosion, earthquakes. 114. According to 2011 census, the literacy rate of women is 82.14%, 75.14%, 65.46%, 72.46%. 115. It is compulsory to conduct Gram Sabha meeting at least once in a month, once in 3 months, once in 6 months, once in a year. 116. The development of its villages is the true development of India, is said by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Nehru, Mahatma Gandhiji, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. 117. Generally, students, senior citizens, and pensioners opened an account in bank is savings bank account, fixed deposit account, recurring deposit account, current account. 118. The department which gives Kisan Vikas Patra is Land Development Bank, Cooperative Bank, Reserve Bank of India, the Indian Postal Department. 119. Another name of user is consumer, producer, provider, distributor. Last MCQ, if the compensation is more than 20 lakhs, we should complain at City Consumer Forum, District Forum, State Commission, National Commission. Now let's check the correct answers. Question number 81. C is the correct answer. 82. C is the correct answer. 83. D is the correct answer. 84. D. 85. A. 86. D. 87. B. 88. C. 89. A. 90. D. 91. B. 92. C. 93. D. 94. D. 95. B. 96. D. 97. A. 98. D. 99. C. 100. A. 101. B. 102. D. 103. D. 104. D. 105. C. 106. A. 107. D. 108. A. 109. A. 110. Here see map 1, 2. First one is Kochi, another one is Visakhapatnam. So correct answer is option A, Kochi, Visakhapatnam. 111. See the map here. Kolkata. In Kolkata we can see Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport. So option C is the correct answer. 112. D. 113. C. 114. C. 115. C. 116. C. 117. A. 118. D. 119. A. 120. C. Special congratulations to those who have scored more marks.